In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Wi-Fi connection problems on your Sony Smart TV. I'll give you 3 different solutions so you can try them all in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Turn your TV off and unplug it from the wall socket. Now, depending on the model you have, you may have a power button on the back or one on the front under the TV. If you don't find one, don't worry, just skip this step. But if you found one, keep it pressed during 30 seconds. Then you have to wait a full minute. If your TV didn't have a button, just wait 1 minute. And then you can safely replug your TV into the wall socket. If this didn't work, I have a second solution for you. You need to find your internet router and you need to unplug it from the wall just as you did on the first solution with the TV. Unplug it and leave it for a full minute. Then you just have to plug it back, wait a few minutes and try connecting to it with your Philips Smart TV. And I have a third and final solution for you if the first 2 ones didn't work. It's to go in settings, then select date and time. You need to scroll down a bit to find this. Then select automatic date and time. Then you should select use network time. Now all you have to do is turn your Wi-Fi of your TV off and on again and connect normally to your Wi-Fi network. It should work. I hope one of these solutions helped you solve your Wi-Fi problem. Thanks for watching and please leave a comment if you have any new suggestion that I didn't talk about in this video.